Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Katie. I'm a missionary in Cambodia. I teach English, and I'm so happy that you're watching today's video. In today's video, it's actually really fun. I'm supposed to go to school, and I will go to school. It is Friday, but the nuns told me that I have a care package, and she asked me if I would be able to go and get it instead of them going to pick it up for me. It's like a 30-minute trip, so I thought it'd be a great day to vlog. I'm gonna show you guys me getting the package, and then I'm gonna come back to school and I'll show you guys what I do on a Friday at school. We do have a different uniform if you guys didn't know. In one of my videos I've posted in my other uniform. This is our Friday uniform. I'm super excited. This package is from my mom. She sent it through normal mail to see how long it would take, and I think it's taken about 2 months, whereas UPS took 2 weeks. So if you ever want to send mail to Cambodia, make sure you use a better company. Don't just use regular mail because it'll take a long time. I just wanted to take you guys along with me to go get this package and just take you along with my day. So let's get started. Okay, so I just got back from the post office. It took 4 hours. I did not expect it for it to take that long, but it did. I left at like 9:30 and it's 12 right now, 12:11, and I just got home. But I wanted to show you guys and tell you about my experience going to the post office. This is the package. It has like rice in it. I don't know why, but we're gonna open this up together. But I kind of want to just talk about the story of how I got there and what I did and just the experience, because it was just very different. So I got to the post office. It took 30 minutes from tuk-tuk to drive. I will insert clips of me driving there. Not me driving, the tuk-tuk driver driving. It took 30 minutes and that cost 10,000 real. Okay, so this is important. So a 30-minute tuk-tuk drive cost 10,000 real, which is like $2, $2.50, right? Okay, and then so I get to the post office. I first go to the main post office, and that's not where you pick up packages. It's a different place, so I had to walk to the different place. And then I went to the counter and started talking to this guy, and he was asking for the phone number that the post office called that told them that the package was there, because, oh my, sorry, I get sick and I had toilet paper and it just like fell and unraveled everywhere. Ugh. Okay. So he asked for the phone number or the like reference number, and I didn't have that, and I didn't have service on my phone, so I was like, I don't know what to do. So I ended up having him call the sisters to see who called them to say the package was there, because somebody had to know about the package, because I didn't tell anyone my parents were sending me a package, so they had to receive a phone call saying the package is here. They did that, and I sat there for like 30 minutes, and I didn't realize that he wasn't really doing his job. I told him to call, and he called the first time, but they said that they would call back. And then I realized after sitting there for 30 minutes that I needed to like reiterate, like, hey, check in with the people, check in with the sisters to make sure like what was my reference number, why am I not going to get this package or whatever. So and then they end up calling, and they call the sisters again, and I start talking to them, and they told me write down number 19 and this reference number, and so I did. And it ended up that I was at the wrong counter. I was working at counter 15, which is small packages, and I was supposed to be at counter 19. So that's why they had no evidence or anything of my package, because it wasn't in that mail room. So I had to move down, farther down, and I got my package, and yeah. And so then they told me to wait because customs had to check it, which I didn't realize because I've never been to like a foreign post office. They write down everything here, so I haven't looked at what's inside, so I'm gonna show you guys first. I haven't looked. They write down everything that's inside, and customs has to check this to make sure that what I'm receiving is okay. They did that, and then they told me that I had to pay them because of the warehouse fee, and I was like, okay, how much should that be? They told me it's 10,000 real. So the same price for a 30-minute tuk-tuk ride, which is like really far, is the same price of me just picking up a package, which I know it's not crazy money, it's only $2, but in Cambodia, money goes a long way, and for you to pay $2 to pick up a package where you can pay a 30-minute tuk-tuk ride for $2, it was just crazy. So I was just really annoyed and I didn't want to pay it, but I ended up being really close to the river. It's a really good restaurant that I like near the river, and I decided to treat myself. So I will show you guys that later after I put my package. I went to a Mexican restaurant that I went to with my family when they visited, and it is really expensive. I shouldn't have bought what I bought, but it was okay. I was treating myself because it was just a nice day out, and then now I'm back at school. I have school soon. I have to go back to teaching, but I came to my room to open the package with you guys to see what we got. I'm like really nervous because it just sounds so strange. Like my mom wouldn't pack something with rice, so I don't know what this is. It's a shoe box. I know you guys can't really see, but I don't know. I just feel like my mom wouldn't. Oh my gosh, this wrapping paper is getting all over me. Guys, look at my pants from the, you guys see? Ugh, it's so dirty. That's gross. Okay, I don't know. Guys. Okay, there's like, there's all that nasty stuff. I don't know what this is. Okay. Okay. So this is the little white book. It's 6-minute reflections on the Sunday Gospels of Easter. Very nice. So I don't know if it's the okay, so this isn't what I saw, but my mom gave me mini Oreos. This is so exciting. I was just talking about how I didn't have any snacks, and lunch and dinner get really hard because we eat the same thing every day. So I'm so excited for little snacks. We got mini Oreos. We have, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's like one of those lollipop things, like a sucker, but it has a bunny's nose. So it's like a little, you know, like a binky kind of thing, but it has a rabbit's nose. And this, guys. Okay, one of them opened, which is pretty sad. My mom sent me Velveeta. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this one opened, but I have one. One is still good, Mom, so we're okay. We have Velveeta. She got me razors. A Kind bar. And Smushed is the flavor nuts and spice. You guys can see. She got me some makeup wipes. Thank you, I really needed these. Nighttime makeup remover towelettes. Very good. I don't wear makeup, but if I ever did, that would be really helpful. Some Pringles cheddar cheese. I'm so excited. I love Pringles. I love them so much. Thank you, Mom. And then, guys, just okay. You thought the Velveeta mac and cheese was good. She got me a box of mac and cheese. We talked about this when she visited. I'm so excited. I'm gonna make this because I don't even know where the stove is at this place. I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna figure out how to make this because it needs to happen. I miss mac and cheese so much. I miss Chipotle and I miss mac and cheese. They're like the #1 things that I miss. What the heck is this? She got me a Chef Boyardee. Can you guys see?
Focus.
She got me beef ravioli and tomato sauce. I don't even know how to, yeah, we're gonna do stovetop. I'm so excited. We got beef ravioli. She sent me bubbles. I got this in my last little envelope thing, so there must have just been extras I can give to the students. They love bubbles. And this, I'm actually this I might be the most excited. So this is just a little pair of scissors and a comb because I need to groom my eyebrows. My eyebrows have become crazy in Cambodia. I hate that I don't have access to like really take care of my eyebrows, and I have like just pretty long. So I asked, like we talked about this when she was visiting, saying that I use like normal scissors, like the big scissors, to cut my eyebrows, which isn't good. So she sent me some small eyebrow scissors. So thank you, Mom. This is very nice. And that was in my care package. But I think it's, I guess the cheese exploded maybe. I don't know what exploded. Because I don't know what this powder, no. Oh, because there's that powder on the bottom of the mac and cheese, and then you add the creamy cheese. So that's what exploded, but it's okay. I'm so excited for Pringles mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. She had it packed so nicely. I'm not gonna be able to pack this back the way that she did. This is gonna be really hard. There we go, we did it. So that is everything. That is everything that is in my care package. Thank you, Mommy, so much. I appreciate it. I really miss snacks and mac and cheese, so thank you so much for sending that to me. I'm very excited. Now my pants are even more a mess because of the mac and cheese powder. Oh, look at perfect timing. I can use the paper towels or the toilet paper that's unraveled everywhere. Now I'm going to show you guys what I have for lunch. I'm actually very nervous because I don't know if they gave me a fork, and I'm in my bedroom and I don't have silverware in my bedroom. I would have to go to the kitchen and get it. So I'm really nervous that I really hope they gave me a fork inside this, because I don't think I can eat it without a fork.
Please be a fork, please be a fork. Yes. Guys, look.
So, my gosh. So I got a chimichanga with rice and a little salad. Oh my. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna go live on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I go live a lot. I think I'm gonna go live and eat and talk to you guys. So that is everything that I've done so far today. I don't know if I'm gonna bring my camera or my phone to class because I shouldn't bring my stuff to class, but I do wanna like film my day. If I do bring my camera to class, you'll see more footage. If not, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. How do I turn you off?